Hello! In this video, I will be showing you how to register for your classes using the registration section of the MyBayPath portal. Now this is for students attending the American Women's College or the One Day a Week College. My name is Diane Reinhardt. I'm the online support administrator, and my email and contact phone number is listed at the bottom of this slide. This presentation is going to walk you through the steps of registering for your classes online using the MyBayPath portal. In it, you're going to learn how to navigate to your degree audit on the portal, how to review upcoming course offerings with your degree audit to select your courses for all 3 sessions in the upcoming term. And you will learn how to use the registration section of the portal. And finally, you're going to understand the role of your advisor in the registration process. So your very first step is to obtain your degree audit. To get this, navigate to the Students section of the MyBayPath portal, then go to the Advising folder on the left-hand side of the screen. Now that you're here, what you want to do is click to View All Details, and that will bring you into a section where you can access your degree audit. So now let's talk quickly about a degree audit. A degree audit is a roadmap of your program requirements. So the very first thing we're going to ask you to do is to recalculate student progress, and that's going to get you the most up-to-date information, and it's going to refresh the database. So now you can click on Degree Audit to obtain your degree audit in PDF format. Now this is a sample of what one looks like, and there's a legend at the bottom that shows you green checks, orangish yellow circles, and red X's. So this will show you green means that these are courses that have been taken here at BayPath University or transferred in from another college. Orangish yellow indicates a course that is being taken currently or that you are enrolled in for a future semester. And red are courses that you need to take. Now here's the course offerings. This will come to you by the registrar. They will send this to you and you will use this along with your degree audit that we just saw to select the courses based on the availability for the session, location, and time that fits your needs based on the courses that are still remaining outstanding on your degree audit. So now let's get started with our course selection. So again, we're going to navigate to the Students section of the MyBayPath portal, and then we're going to go to the Registration folder on the left-hand side. So now, as you can see, we are in a section where it says Registration Home. Now what you want to do is go to Add/Drop Courses. Now the very first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to change the term to either look at the whole semester or only the session that you wish to register for specifically. Remember, with the One Day and online program, there are 3 sessions in each semester. So you could be taking anywhere from 3 to 6 courses in each semester. Oftentimes, I believe it's easier to look at the whole semester because that gives you a greater idea and more options for when you may be taking your courses. So this is showing selecting the whole semester, and this shows how you can select just one specific session. And you would click that and it would show in your drop-down box. Now, based on my degree audit that I showed you, the course I've selected to register for is Accounting 100. So in the previous term I selected, so in this example, we're picking fall of 2014. And now you click on where it says Course Search. Now some things I want you to see. Put in the course code. Now I've already said, and I've seen that it's Accounting 100, which is ACC 100. It's okay. I'm going to just put in ACC. So I have the term of fall. And now what I want to do is change the division to undergraduate. And now I want to search. Now with this, I want to bring some really important things to your attention. There will be courses which are for our traditional students, for our campuses that are online, or at Longmeadow, Burlington, or Sturbridge. So let's take a look at that. We know we are a one-day or online student, so we will be looking at the Saturday or online courses. So be very careful of that. Additionally, the other thing I want you to be careful about is selecting that you're picking the times and the start and end date that you're looking for. Remember, 3 sessions per term. So you could potentially, if you're an on-ground student, be looking for morning and afternoon courses for each of the 3 session start dates. So use the information provided by your advisor to guide your selections. So now we do know we want to take Accounting 100. So you see an add box, and I've actually already highlighted that. So you put your check mark by clicking in the add box, and then you click add courses, because I know I've picked the one that I want. Wonderful. We have received a confirmation screen that shows we've successfully added the course to our registration record. Now that's wonderful, but I also see a little bit of red at the bottom of the screen. What is that? What this is actually telling you, though, is just that your advisor will actually be approving your registration selections. So you are registered as soon as you see the message saying it's been successfully added to your registration record. So you don't need to worry about getting a seat. That's been reserved for you. But your advisor will be looking at it and making sure that the course is appropriate for you. Perhaps if there were unmet prerequisites, perhaps they would drop it and suggest to you to take another course in lieu of that. Or perhaps you're an online student and the advisor sees you've signed up for a course in Burlington. Well, they'll check with you. But if they find that that's an error, they will actually not approve your registration. So even though this shows up, you are registered for your course, so please feel confident in that fact. So now that you've registered for the class, you can actually go back and select more courses for other sessions or times. Because as soon as you've received the confirmation screen that I showed you just before, and you see here, it shows you're registered for your previously desired course. Simply continue using the registration section of the portal in the same manner to select additional courses that you will need for the upcoming 3 sessions. Again, use the course offerings as given to you by the registrar. Use your degree audit as we showed you how to obtain it on the portal. Remember to select Course Search and enter the appropriate term and course code. Additionally, there is a method where if you know the exact course code, for example, ACC 100 A1 is the course code for the course we previously selected. You can certainly enter it directly, so I want to make sure you see that that is an option, but just bear in mind it is very specific and you need the ACC space 100 space A1 to appropriately register for that course. So now what do you do when you encounter this? This is an error screen. Courses are not registered. There could be several instances. Perhaps if you've taken multiple classes at the same time. If you've attempted to register for a course you've already registered for. If you try to add too many credits. This is simple. If you have a concern, we're here for you. If it's a technical issue, please be in touch with me. But this is an issue where you want to contact your advisor. So thank you so much for watching this slideshow of the steps for registering for your classes using the registration section of the portal. I hope by now you feel comfortable navigating to your degree audit on the portal, using the course offerings and your degree audit to select courses for the upcoming sessions, using the registration section of the MyBayPath portal to register for your courses, and contacting your advisor if you encounter an error while registering for your classes. Some final notes: if you have any further questions regarding registering for your courses online using the MyBayPath portal, please feel free to contact me. Again, if you're having technical support issues as well, please contact me. Here is my contact information again, and I wish you all the best of luck this upcoming semester.